In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport to a nether fortress in Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is build a portal using obsidian and then flint to light it up, and you want to jump through the portal. Now, once you're in the nether, what you want to do is go to settings in game, and then on the left side under world in game, you want to scroll down on the right side until you get to world options. Now from here, you want to toggle on show coordinates, and then you want to scroll down on this page further and you want to activate cheats. Now, once you've done that, you can go back to the game and you want to open up chat and commands. And in the bar at the bottom, you want to type in slash locate structure and then type in fortress and then true at the end. And you want to press enter to pull this up. And if you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see the location of the nearest nether fortress. So what you want to do is use the coordinates in the top left corner, and if you open up your chat again, you'll see the coordinates of the nearest fortress, and you want to go to that location. Now, if the nether fortress is far away, you can teleport to it by typing in slash TP and then space at S for self, and then you want to type in those coordinates. So for me, it was -80. It didn't give the y-axis, so I'm just going to type 0. And then I think it was -300-ish, so we're just going to teleport here. So if you teleport to the wrong location like I did, all you have to do is open up your chat and commands and just adjust the position for your teleport until you get to the nether fortress. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.